Have you ever wondered why your dog pulls on its leash, barks at dawn, or jumps on guests? Trust me, I've been there. Enter the Dog Calming Code, a game changer for dog owners. The Dog Calming Code is an online course designed to tackle common dog behavior problems like leash pulling, barking, and aggression. It promises to transform your furry rebel into a disciplined companion. The course promises to turn your unruly dog into a well-behaved pet in just a week. This ambitious claim is backed by simple, gentle psychological methods. Doggy Dan, the course creator, emphasizes simplicity and gentleness. The program focuses on establishing you as the pack leader without aggression, ensuring a harmonious relationship with your dog. The course is built on 5 practical, easy-to-apply rules. These rules help your dog see you as the leader, leading to natural obedience and calmness. Doggy Dan, a former police officer turned dog trainer, created these methods based on extensive experience and training. His versatile background ensures a structured yet empathetic approach. By learning to think like your dog and using pack psychology, you can improve your dog's behavior and strengthen your bond. It's like learning to speak their language. Positive testimonials flood in, praising the immediate improvements in dog behavior. Real people share their experiences, highlighting the effectiveness of these techniques. The Dog Calming Code offers a structured, empathetic, and practical roadmap for dog owners. With patience and proper guidance, your furry rebel can indeed transform. Here's to a serene, disciplined, and enjoyable dog parenting journey.